To download Roblox on Mac or PC, the first thing you want to do is head on to roblox.com. If you've not signed up yet, go ahead and do that. If you have, just click on login and enter your details. Now, once you've signed in or logged in, you're going to see the different games that you can play here. However, the issue is that when you click on either of this game, you'll be required to download Roblox first before you can play them. All you have to do is click on this blue play button here, and you see the download Roblox button. Click on it to start the download, and as you can see, the download has started. On PC, the download will be a .exe file, and on Mac, it will be a .dmg file. And now, as you can see, the download is complete. All you have to do is click and open the file where it's located at. Double click the installer to start the installation process. Once Roblox has been successfully installed, it will launch automatically. If it doesn't, just go ahead and click on the app and open it from your computer. You would see this interface here. Just click on sign in and enter your login details just as you did earlier. Once you're done entering your details, click on sign in. And now you are in. You can just click on any game you want and start playing. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.